boy RJ.
It's your girl Tynee.
Caden.
It's probably y'all second or third time seeing him, but yes, he is big now, very big, and we cut his hair. I'm just showing y'all him a little bit and let him go play.
In today's video, we got a very cool little machine to add to our house. That way it'd be like more inviting for guests, and also we got something for movie nights as well. I guess. Yes,
y'all, I'm so excited because you know I love popcorn and he loves popcorn, so it's gonna be exciting. And might do a little taste test. I brought some butter and some seasoned salt online, so hopefully it's just like the movie theaters. I'll let y'all guys know.
So you just open it. Hard to get out here.
Y'all, this thing is heavy. I feel down. Yeah, I'm good. Y'all see it? Y'all can't see me because this box is very big, but here you go. Let me turn it around. I want y'all to see the address and y'all can see all this.
That's not on that part of the box. It's just on the Amazon box. But yeah, I'm gonna stay away from tougher than my freaking PC box.
I think you have to take the whole styrofoam on it out. Ooh, there it go, guys.
Oh, here it is in the front. I wonder what the glass piece of it went.
It's probably inside this box, I think.
Oh, okay.
Cause y'all, let me see. It's like a little extra box, so I guess all the accessories in here. I don't know if I said that the last time, but I'm just saying it again.
Alright, we're gonna get it set up and then we'll show you what it looks like afterwards.
2 days later.
Hey guys, so right now we're gonna make the popcorn. It's been 2 or 3 days now. The time is real late, but we're gonna make it happen. So I'm gonna record RJ making the popcorn.
Yeah, it's about 2 o'clock in the morning.
Yeah, like 2 in the morning, so.
Alright, so here's the popcorn machine. I got it all plugged up right here. Like a little light. Tynee got some, like, what you call it, some oils.
And the season salt.
Seasoned salt. Got like 2 scoopers. One right here. Where did the metal thing go? You want to quick pass it around? It's right there, John. Yeah. We got this metal one right here, and we got a smaller one. We got 3 of these like little plastic, what do you call it? I guess plastic baggies right here.
Yeah.
Is that what you call it? Yeah, well, got that. We got regular plastic bags right here.
We're gonna use those like another time, the smaller bags, like we have family or anybody come over, but right now just us two, so we can use those right there.
I went to Food Line and got some Orville. We would've got a better brand, but we just decided to get this.
Yeah, Amazon would've took too long. I wasn't thinking about buying popcorn on Amazon, so I'm like, okay, we might as well get some from the store.
You hear that?
Yeah. Alright, herb so you can see them. You should get it to take 2 to 3 minutes, you heard me? So guys, right now we already got everything inside the thing. It should take like 2 to 3 minutes.
It's already starting to pop already. Hear it? It's popping, Tynee.
It's popping, y'all.
Stop it. Oh yeah.
No, that right there, because once you move around with this.
Okay.
It on.
That's actually pretty quick for the first time doing this.
Yeah, and it hurt.
Yeah.
All right, y'all.
You can see movie theater popcorn.
Yes.
Oh, really? I'm gonna go in for some. You know what I'm saying? I'm not joking.
Ain't no way.
You can't add more on here.
Oh, yeah, that's enough. Y'all, what the heck?
I ain't gonna lie. Oh no, I never thought. I thought you were joking with your reaction. Oh,
You say you did?
Mm-hmm.
That's crazy.
Oh,
Y'all.
oh yeah. Here you go. Well, alright, when that'll do it all for this video. Make sure you hit that like button, subscribe for more videos like this. And anything else you want to say, Tynee?
Y'all, I had no words. This tastes just like freaking movie theater popcorn.
Alright, see y'all next one. Peace.